Word AI just released and it's making waves as one of the best new AI tools. But what exactly makes Word AI stand out? In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software before diving in. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know if Word AI is the perfect solution for your needs. Word AI is a revolutionary tool that promises to streamline the content creation process. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner, this software claims to do it all. From writing to generating ideas to even optimizing your content for SEO. But does it really live up to the hype? Well, let's get into it. The first thing you'll notice about Word AI is its user-friendly interface. Unlike many other AI tools that can feel cluttered or overly complex, Word AI takes simplicity to a whole new level. Everything is easy to navigate, and within minutes, you can start generating content without any learning curve. This makes it perfect for anyone who's not a tech expert, but still wants to use cutting-edge AI for their business. Now, let's talk about its capabilities. One of the most impressive features of Word AI is its natural language generation. The AI writes content that sounds authentic and human, not robotic. Whether you're creating blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions, Word AI can handle it all with ease. And for digital marketers, this means you can scale your content creation effortlessly while maintaining high quality. Another thing worth mentioning is how it integrates seamlessly with SEO. Word AI doesn't just generate content, it helps you optimize it. The software has built-in SEO suggestions to improve readability, keyword usage, and even internal linking, so your content gets found on search engines. This is a huge plus, as many content creators struggle with making their content both high quality and SEO friendly. The third feature I want to highlight is the idea generation tool. If you're someone who often experiences writer's block or struggles to come up with fresh content ideas, Word AI is here to help. With just a few inputs, the software can generate a wide range of ideas tailored to your specific needs. It's like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7, which is perfect for keeping your content pipeline full. Word AI also stands out for its versatility. Whether you're working on a long-form article or a quick social media post, the software adapts to your style and needs. You can choose different tones, from formal to casual, and even adjust the length of the output to match the project at hand. This level of customization ensures that the content feels personalized and relevant to your audience. Now, let's talk about its accuracy. One thing I love about Word AI is its precision when it comes to generating relevant and factual content. While other tools can sometimes produce content that feels generic or off-topic, Word AI does a fantastic job of sticking to the subject and providing valuable, accurate information. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who values precision in their content. Lastly, Word AI offers incredible value for the price. It's one of the most affordable AI tools out there, considering the range of features it offers. Plus, they offer a free trial, so you can try it yourself and see if it's right for you. There's no risk in getting started, and if you're serious about growing your content or business, this is a tool worth checking out. You can get started for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software, I've handpicked a selection of the best options available, and Word AI is definitely one of them. If you're ready to boost your content creation with AI, don't wait. Check out my recommended tools in the description and see how they can work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.